interesting facts about our noses that we might not know, like noses can smell emotion. That's very, very interesting. Now, today's show, Bella Confidential, is all about the noses. Now, earlier on, before the break, we spoke about how the haze can affect our health of our nose and also people with sinusitis and some of the treatments, some modern medicine treatments that are available for people with sinusitis. But now we're going to talk about a more traditional approach to treating sinusitis. And for that, we've invited the MD of Sam Shifa Specialist Complementary Medical Center, Dr. Siti Aisyah here, as well as her patient, Muhammad Fadila Harun. And she's going to show us a traditional acupuncture treatment for sinusitis. Is that right, doctor?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is this called?
This is called as allotherapy cosmetic acupuncture.
Allotherapy cosmetic acupuncture.
Yes.
Why is it a cosmetic acupuncture?
Okay, because when we do the acupuncture, we can do the whole body, refer to meridians. Now we only use the facial to do the acupuncture. So that's why it's called as a cosmetic acupuncture.
Okay. When can people come and do this acupuncture? Do they have to be like, do they have to have chronic sinusitis, or if they have allergies and whatnot, can they come do this acupuncture?
Actually, Belinda, they can come to do the acupuncture if they have symptoms like runny nose, sneezing, or they have nose block.
Okay.
So it might be they do not have the sinusitis, but they have the symptoms with the runny nose. So it can be as a prevention treatment for them.
How about for a cold, like a common cold, like we get a cold, an infection of the nose, can we come and do acupuncture as well? Or does it have to be chronic sinusitis or allergies only?
Actually, acupuncture can do for all because this is no harm and invasive treatment. So we can do as a prevention and we can do as a treatment as well.
Ah, okay, great. So let's get to the treatment. There, I see some needles here. Is it painful, doctor? I'm very gully about needles actually.
It is like a mosquito bite.
Okay.
You have experience about mosquito bite, so just like that, because a very fine needle.
Okay, so what do we do?
Okay,
what do you do?
Because this is we call as a allotherapy cosmetic acupuncture, because we integrate with the natural gift from the aloe vera itself. Because the aloe vera can give the they have the biolignin, biostimulant, and they have the lignans, so they also can give can reduce the inflammation inside and outside. They also have excellent to penetrate in human skin. So firstly, I will give my patient to drink this is the aloe vera.
What is that?
This is the aloe vera juice to make my patient feel calm, and it will help for the internal.
So, Fadil, what do you have? Like, do you have stuffy nose right now, or you have runny nose and stuffy nose right now? Okay, so you've tried this before. Yes. And it works for you. Okay. All right. So now that he's drank the aloe juice, what do we do now?
And the second is I will spray with this aloe spray. Can you close your eyes? Okay.
Or over the face?
Yes, over the face. But
need tissue.
Need tissue to cover here.
Cover his shirt.
Yes. Thank you, Belinda. Okay.
So this is an aloe spray.
This is aloe spray.
Let me just adjust your mic for a bit. Okay.
Okay. Let it dry. We can dab it.
Okay. With tissue.
With tissue.
So this should only be done at a professional's place. Okay. So don't do this. Don't try this at home with your own needles.
Yeah. Okay. If we have time, so actually in my clinic, I wait until it dries itself.
Okay.
So
let it absorb into the skin. Okay.
Yeah. And then now I will apply this as the aloe vera. So, and I will combine with the essential oil. Okay. So actually many essential oil we can use, but here I use the peppermint essential oil. Just only one drop to make sure they have no nose block, and then they feel very good.
And this one is lavender.
Lavender.
Okay.
To make my patient feel very calm.
Okay. So just put it around around the sinus areas.
Around the sinus area, and then the point near to the acupuncture point.
Okay. So around the nose area, the on top of the eyebrows, as well as the temple. Okay. So what's the benefit of this treatment compared to like modern medicine and surgery.
Yeah, actually this treatment can give patient natural healing because when we do the acupuncture, actually the acupuncture can give the balance and can actually the patient will feel comfortable, easier to breathe, and then can reduce inflammation with the combination of aloe vera and acupuncture.
Okay. All right. Now, so this comes the interesting part, right?
Yes. So, are you ready? And now I will give a needle for the acupuncture needle. So, let's start with my glove first.
So, how often do you do this? The aloe
ACA, aloe. Yes, easier for you. ACA, aloe therapy, cosmetic acupuncture.
Aloe
ACA.
therapy cosmetic acupuncture or ACA. Okay.
So,
come, doctor, can I just adjust your mic for a bit because it's hitting your tudung? We'll just clip it here, right here. Okay.
Okay, we have actually many types of needles. So for facial, for cosmetic acupuncture, I use the
thinnest one.
Thinnest one, the very fine needle. So this is. I will
so
start
there
from
are
here.
specific parts that you have to you have to acupuncture.
Yeah, this is the part.
So near the eye.
Don't worry, it's not go to the eyes.
Is it painful, Encik Fadil?
No.
No? It's so near the eye.
You see the one? You can ask Encik Fadil whether
Yeah, he said it's not painful,
painful.
but it's quite scary to look at because it's really near the eye. So it's right here at the nose bridge.
Yes, and then one more here.
What does the acupuncture needle do actually? Does it transfer the gel and whatnot into the nose, or
Actually,
does it poke a hole in the nose for the air to escape? What does it do? I'm quite curious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do acupuncture works? So the acupuncture when the acupuncture attach with the skin and then go to the tissue, so they will give the vibration. So they will amplify the vibration goes to the meridian. So from the meridian, it will take everything the unbalance of energy and bring it out. This is how we come actually to balance all the energy in the cells. They will reach until the cellular level itself.
Okay, understand. So with the acupuncture needle, it provides the vibration to get all the bad energy out.
Yes.
Okay.
The balance like the electron and proton, like a positive and negative. So make it balanced. When we balance, we can get the healthy in a healthy condition.
All right. Okay. So are there any people who are not advised to get acupuncture treatment?
Yeah. For the pregnancy lady, for the first trimester, better don't do the acupuncture.
Okay. All right. But other than that, anyone is fine, even children?
Even baby after 6 months.
Oh,
So
wow.
also can do the acupuncture.
Wow, okay. So how many needles do you need for this treatment, for the ACA treatment?
It depends to the patient symptoms.
Okay.
So if the runny nose, this point is very beneficial.
These 2 points around the nose, is it? So Encik Fadil still okay,
Okay.
No problem,
Yeah.
It just looks scarier than it seems, I guess. And because I am a bit gully with needles, so...
You can see from my patient, you can see from the eyebrow. If they feel pain, they will
frown.
They will they show from the eyebrow, but
Okay.
no
But
pain.
Is this immediate? Like, will you feel the relief immediately after the acupuncture?
Yeah.
Immediately.
Yes. After one
Encik
session, you
Fadil.
can feel.
Wow. Miracle.
This is for frontal. Most of them got sinusitis and then got headache.
Okay.
So this one for headache.
How about like people with chronic sinusitis, like Miss Shakila earlier on? She has a headache, she has fever and whatnot. Can this acupuncture help people with chronic sinusitis?
Inshallah, because we have a few types of acupuncture session and we combine with the allotherapy itself, it will easier to reduce the inflammation in the polyps and then the sinus inside.
I see.
So I should give a few.
So, well, if you feel like you don't want to add more medication into your body, this might be the natural way to go.
Yes,
You want to
you are right.
fix your sinusitis.
Since we have
So
the
people with
nation-
chronic sinusitis will have to go through several sessions of acupuncture.
Yes,
That's right.
advisable to go for 7 sessions.
7?
7 sessions.
Wow, okay.
And they will have the result, the good result.
So this is right into the temple here as well.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we now have 10 acupuncture needles in Encik Fadil.
Yeah, enough for this session.
Enough for this session. And
So
I
I will
see there are some machines here. What does this do?
This is a stimulator. We call
Okay.
as a stimulator.
Okay.
So this machine will help the needles to vibrate. So we want to stimulate the needles because to make the amplifier in the tissue cells easier and faster.
So it's not as simple as just poking needles into your face. You have to add some vibration to the
Yes.
needles. So these are electrical impulses?
Yeah.
Okay. And you have to... and it won't electrocute him.
No, it's very slow,
Safe, very safe.
safe, and
Okay.
it is a low voltage. So I give maybe one more.
Oh, just one? You just need one
I
or
need
not
one
all
more
the...
here.
Okay.
Okay. The color.
So let's say our viewers out there would like to try out this ACA for their sinuses or to prevent colds and allergies. Where can they find you, doctor?
Just here at section 13, Shah Alam.
Okay.
So in my clinic, I practice this.
So this is quite, it's no longer like an alternative kind of medicine, right? It is become more modern in a sense. Like,
Yeah, you are right.
do you give your patients any sort of medications afterwards, or?
I will give the natural remedies,
Okay.
means from the nutrition medicine. So I will start the stimulator here. So
How does it feel, Encik Fadil?
Encik Fadil will let you know how the feel. So we'll start first here. Okay.
So what? Okay, so you switch it on and
Yeah.
it gives sort of
This is the time.
For how long do you need
For
to?
15 to 25
Okay.
minutes. So is it
Is it switched
current
on?
here?
Yeah.
okay here?
Okay. So is this necessary, or the acupuncture enough? Sometimes
Actually, this is
part of the
the
treatment.
part of the treatment, but it depends to the patient. Like if the patient for the first time not get used with this treatment, so I will start with the clinical just the acupuncture. Okay.
How does it feel, Encik Fadil?
Ada
Does
rasa
it
tak?
Okay.
okay? It's just like vibration sajalah.
Yeah.
Okay. Tak sakit eh?
Tak tak.
I feel something.
Okay.
Is there any vibration inside? Huh? No.
This is very interesting.
This one.
Cuba.
This is here. Okay. I feel it.
Okay.
I feel the
So it has to
vibration.
be an accurate point for
Yes.
different sort of symptoms.
Yes,
Is that right?
because they have the right point to the right symptoms. It means with the sinusitis or the runny nose or all the nose symptoms and head symptoms or eyes disorder. So we can use this sample. This is a point, 10 points here.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you very much, Dr. Aisha, for this. And if you want to look for an alternative form of medication for your sinusitis, this might be it, okay? This one is natural, all natural, using aloe and essential oil and also
Yes.
acupuncture. But of course, if you have more chronic and you feel like you need modern treatment, then you can go to the hospital.
Yes,
Well,
try
thank you
it.
very much,
Okay.
Dr.
You're most
Aisha, and
welcome,
thank you,
Belinda.
Encik Fadil, for demoing for us. Hopefully, it's not too painful for you, and hopefully your stuffy nose will clear after this. We're going to
Yes,
go
ma'am.
for a quick break, but coming back, we have Paris Hilton herself. Stay tuned.